Okay. Bantu banjye rero nkuko nabibasezeranije. Okay. Dukomeje buryo bugiye butandukanye ibyo nagiye mbigisha mwabibonye. Ya video irakomeje. Aha rero ni ukuvuga ngo spaghetti zacu zarangiye nkuko nabibasezeranije, ntabwo ziri mashed, ntabwo zabaye igikoma bitewe na za process twagiye ducamo. Ubu ngubu rero ngiye kukwerekana n'umusaza dore ngize hano. Okay, right. Let's see. Ubu ngubu rero abantu bacu bagiye kujya ku meza, murabona uburyo zahiye zitamashinze. This is something very good that every one of your customer, umuntu wese witeze kugiye kumugaburira spaghetti agomba kurya ibiryo bimeze neza. Murabibona harimo inkoko, harimo fresh rocket, murabibona dore ngibi hano. Ubu ngubu noneho final touch ya nyuma ni ugushyiramo ikintu bita fresh rocket. Wanna cut fresh rocket now add them in, and then we are done. Okay, right. None ikintu tugiye gukora ni ukwarurira iki abakiriya bacu, siko bimeze. Abakiriya bacu turabarurira cyangwa se turarura hano. Ndi mu rugo ngiye kwarura abantu bazi barye, ko mubibona dore ngibi spaghetti zacu hano. Okay, all right. Okay. Something very nice chicken on top. Oh, anyway, what? Okay. Chicken on top. Fantastic. Urabona ko za spaghetti zacu ntabwo zabaye igikoma, ziraryoshye cyane uko mubibona. Okay. Done. My friend, hano ni mu rugo. This is home. Okay. We are just at ease. Ibingibi ushobora kubikora aho ngaho mu kazi, ibingibi ushobora kubikora aho ngaho uri wowe uri mu gikoni, ibingibi ushobora kubyiga ukabimenya kuko natangiye bikwigisha. You see? It's nice. Fantastic. Right. Nabwiye yuko iyi ni chicken with spaghetti and fresh rocket. Aho twatangiye duteka mwabibonye, mwabikurikiranye byose. Nizeye yuko mwese mwabifashe rero. Very appetizing. The final touch is to add what we call, my goodness, fresh rocket as garnish. Okay, so nice, lovely. This is fresh rocket. Okay, fresh what? Rocket. Icyatsi cyiza cyane. Everyone can eat this. Alright. See, it's the final result. This is the final what? Result. Lovely. Wow. Jesus Christ. Remember to subscribe. This is Food Shows Rwanda TV. Only here you can find this knowledge. Okay. N'abatinde sasa noneho ya chicken yacu nayo yabaye, ariko yo turaza kureba kumeze. Okay. Jesus Christ. Murabibona neza. Oh wow. Amazing. Very wonderful. Jesus. Then what we do is slice onion. Slice onion now. Done. Right. After, put just like this, straight away. Now, done. And now what I do? Jesus Christ. You see this only at Food Shows TV Rwanda. You can find this and follow. This is nice for your guests. This is nice for your boss. This is nice for you. Everyone who knows this skills can be able to just much money ushobora kuba mu bahembwa akayabo nawe ubishatse ugakurikirana iyi Food Shows TV Rwanda. Remember to subscribe and remember to like and share for making sure that your colleagues abantu bawe bose bagiye batandukanye babonye izi video bazajye bazibona ku buryo butandukanye noneho mubashe gukurikirana ubumenyi ahangaha nta handi ushobora kubona ati Food Shows TV Rwanda. Goodness. Okay. Tugiye kwarura inkoko yacu noneho ngo gahunda ziteye kwirukanga. Jesus Christ. Wow, fantastic, very delicious, nice, nice, awesome. Oh my goodness, my goodness, lovely onions along with chicken. Onions along with chicken. And what you do is just to put an onion, fresh onion. Ushoka fresh onion, umukiriya wakakarya ibintu ariki amahoro. Done. They do just like this. Chi. And then add what you call garnish called fresh rocket. Here I'm done. Enjoy food. See you next time. Remember to subscribe on this YouTube channel. This is Chef Jean-Marie, just on the show, showing you everything, skills, mbereka ibintu bigiye bitandukanye. Mbasaba ngo mukurikirane ibintu neza, murabona ko abatara akazi koroshe. Seriously, abashefu baravunika cyane. Chef Jean-Marie at Shows TV Rwanda. Remember to subscribe. This is Food Shows TV Rwanda. Only you can find this knowledge at this channel. Please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. See you next time. I will bring you more things full of knowledge.